Hello, good afternoon. Yes, see, we are here on oxygen sensor adapter. If you have an oxygen sensor problem, uh, let me know. I will help you about this one. So I have an oxygen sensor adapter. So this one no need to change. So we will put only this one. So engine light is gone. Okay. So we are here to help you and let me know. Just PM and I will give you good price. Okay. You know what is how much the oxygen sensor new one? Almost 200 real or 300 real. Latest model is 400 real. So usually this universal oxygen sensor adapter all of all of cars we can fix this one. Okay. Thank you.